Hi, I'm Ellen Childress, and I'm the branch manager of the Bogue Banks and Down East branches of the Carteret County Public Library System. I'd like to show you how to use a resource we have available for patrons on our website, the North Carolina Digital Library. You can find it by going to our website and clicking on Books and More. In the middle, you'll see Digital Resources, Hoopla, and the North Carolina Digital Library. Click on that. The first thing I would do is to sign in, which I already have. You'll need your library card number and PIN. Remember that your PIN is the last four digits of the phone number you gave us. On this page, you'll see the most popular eBooks and audiobooks. Libby is the app for this service, and you can download it in the App Store or on Google Play. All right. This looks like a good book, and it's available. Janet Ivanovich, Twisted 26. So let's click on that. Here's the title. This is part of a series, the author, and the narrator. I can listen to a sample of it. There's also a short summary of the book, and then I can borrow it. I can borrow it for 7 days, 14 days, or 21 days. And I'm going to click on Borrow. And I'll show you where that goes in just a second. Let's see what else we have on here. Great Reads Without the Wait and Hispanic Heritage. Let's scroll up to the top, and maybe we can search by subjects. There are three formats available: eBooks, audiobooks, and videos. I'm going to choose audiobooks. I've rather enjoyed listening to books as I'm reading. All right, and then I've been very happy listening to mysteries. So let me click on that, and let's see what I can find. There are thousands of books waiting for you here. Here's one that looks interesting, Anne Cleves, The Long Call. And notice it says wait list. This is like placing a hold on a book. I'm going to click, and again you see the front cover, the title. This looks like it's going to be part of a series, the author, and the narrator. I can listen to a sample of it. There's a short summary, and I'm going to place a hold on it. All I would have to do is enter my email address, confirm it, and place the hold. Now, obviously, I'm not going to do that, but if you do that, the notification would appear for you right here with the bell. All right, let's go back, and let me take you through some other sections of this website. You can search by collections. We have special collections, the eBooks, audiobooks, and videos. Let's look at videos and see what there is. All right. I like yoga, so maybe I'll take this one. So I'm going to click on it. And again, there's a short summary. And there's one copy available, so I'm going to click on, you can watch a sample, and I'm going to borrow it. And for videos, you can borrow it for 3 days, 5 days, or 7 days. And all you'd have to do is click on Borrow, and I'll show you where that goes in just a minute. All right, let's go back. And let me scroll up to the top, and we have Kindle books, kids, and that works and is set up just the way the other sections are set up. eBooks and audiobooks, different sections. Now, if your child happens to be participating in the elementary battle of the books, you might be in, they can't find the book at the school, or even here at the library, you might want to check out the NC Digital Library to see if it's available. We have the Elementary Battle of the Books and the Middle School Battle of the Books. Amazing Animals. All right, let me scroll back up to the top and go back to the main collection. And then the Teens works the same way. And once again, we also have the NC Middle School Battle of the Books and the North High School Battle of the Books available for those kids who are participating in that. All right, we also, let me go back to the main collection. We also have romance. And we have, we'll go back to the main collection, we have mystery. Lots of choices are available to you for this. All right. Let's say, though, that your friend has recommended an author to you. You can click on search and type in the author's name, like Joanne Fluke. Now, she is an author of cozy mysteries based in a bakery, and I do believe the books also include a recipe. Here's one, The Christmas Caramel Murder. So I'm going to click on that, and it happens to be available. It's an ebook, so I can read a sample. There's the summary of it, and then I can borrow it for 21 days. And again, I'll show you where this goes in just a second. All right, let me go back to the main collection. But let's say your friend says, you've got to read this book. I so enjoyed this book. And I'm going to choose The Personal Librarian. And this one is available, well, it's on a wait list, but you can find it in an ebook and audiobook format. And do the same thing. All right, I can place a hold, enter my email address, confirm it, and place the hold. And once it was available, it would show up right here. And I've taken out a few items, so let me show you the shelf. Here is the shelf. Here are the things that I've checked out. You can read it now with a Kindle, I can read it in the browser, or I can download it. All right. And this is your account where you can find out about how many loans you have, holds, you can make a wish list, you can recommend a book, what you've borrowed in the past, and settings. And of course you can sign out right there. All right, let me go back. Anyway, this was just a short introduction to the North Carolina Digital Library. I hope it's been helpful for you. I hope you enjoy it as much as I have been enjoying it, and we'll look forward to seeing you at the library. Bye-bye.